Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a sweet term that holds significance in the world of snacks and desserts. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as marshmallows, marshmallows, marsh, meh, lows, marshmallows. Marshmallows are popular in cooking and baking, adding a sweet, gooey texture to treats. A nostalgic element in everything from hot cocoa to festive snacks. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about marshmallows, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.